We've helped many clients avoid shutdowns. One in particular was a poultry customer in Tennessee. Called us on a Thursday afternoon about 4 o'clock that their house system had gone down. And within 24 hours, we had a design and agreement for a 400-ton chiller. And we started installing the system within 3 to 4 business days. Up and running within a week, and they did not miss a day of production.
We had an ongoing project in Texas at a poultry plant that they had been asked to track how often they turn on and off the equipment and how much energy they have consumed with their temporary equipment, part of the greenhouse gas initiative. So what we were able to do is retrofit our smart controller and actually program it to have set on-off times based off of what they've requested. And that will give them data of how much the equipment is being used and how much it's not being used, if it's being used at hours when they really shouldn't be using it. And it also helps with manpower, getting up early in the morning, turning it on, don't have to send somebody out in the cold to make sure equipment is running, or late at night, making sure everything gets turned off. So we're gonna take that data and make sure that the plant has everything they need to reduce any type of energy spent and reduce it as much as they possibly can.
Well, some of the overlooked strategies is a lot of your plants change their process flow. Within doing that, they seem not to look at the air condition going on in the space as they change those processes. So it's good to keep in mind that they need to conduct an airflow study to make sure they're having adequate conditions in each one of the spaces. And if they're not able to maintain those conditions, it can create condensation, reverse airflow effects versus contaminated air back to ready to eat products, or you can spread gas throughout the process without those airflow studies being conducted.
Polygon is separated from the competition because we like to approach our clients as partners. We're looking for engineered solutions, solving their problems, any pain points that they can have. We like to do this with fact-based data, and we have a multitude of ways to accomplish this. We can use our ExactAir remote monitoring system to collect data. We're also utilizing past experience and 100-year weather data to make sure that we're following all the trends in the weather and accommodating all the specs that we need to achieve.
So this particular IEQ Plus sensor, we're using it in food plants all over the country right now. In this particular housing, it's washdown compatible. We're using it in plants to monitor temperature and humidity and CO2 in coolers, refrigeration rooms, and it helps control our equipment, exhaust fans, blowers, and cooling equipment all throughout the chicken plant. So